Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we are here with the second update for Google Chrome for the week. And this is the security updates for sure. Upper right corner, 3 vertical dots. You go down to Help About Google Chrome. Here you will see that you're going to move at 151.0. That's 7922.109 as of today, August the 6th, 2026. So this is the second update. First update we done on Tuesday didn't have a lot of info except some bug fixes and features. But this one does have security updates. So if we look at the Chromium release blog, you'll see that the stable channel update for desktop, 41 security fixes. A lot of them in here are critical. And of course, a lot of high severity also. So check it out. Make sure that you update your browser. There was a question this week about if AI does a good job at getting, security flaws. Why are we still using security researchers? Well, for a simple reason. AI doesn't look everywhere all the time. Security researchers have their own areas and own expertise. And so when you want to fight and get fixes for security updates, well, the more people are on it, the better it is because you find more flaws. And so that's why paying security researchers is actually a very good thing. So check it out. Update your Google Chrome browser. There will be updates for the Chromium browsers, Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, Edge, and so on. So check it out also to make sure that you stay safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.